Usain Bolt and Marvin Anderson, who would have won this event also in Class 1 for William Knibb. And those two, of course, went on to represent Jamaica at the senior level. Bolt, of course, the greatest ever. The shot put for Class 1 girls is also on the way. We'll be bringing up to speed with that. This is from Immaculate, Jada Francis, the corporate area medalist, the champion, and she on her 5th attempt, I believe it is. Well, let's see, she gets at the white flag though. Nice height on that one. I tell you, it's overcast skies here at the National Stadium. I believe it's forecast for rain this afternoon. 11.45 meters for Jada Francis of Immaculate on that throw. Up next, inside the circle.
Must be very tech. If you have
from
the best
very technical.
gear.
This is Gabrielle Merchant. Does the spin technique. Gets the red flag as that one falls outside the sector. And so up next from Clarendon College, Marla-Kay Lampart, central champion.
And also the favorite #1 seeded athlete
in this event. Lampart using the spin technique and just pushes that one. Lots of power behind that one from Marla-Kay Lampart. Gets the white flag. Does Lampart.
Lampard, she has been consistent all season. 13.66 meters with that effort.
Of course, Lampart is leading the event. This throw, 13.66 for her. She has gone as far as 14.07. Up next, this is Abigail Bennett of Merle Grove. Good to see Merle Grove well represented here at Champs 2026. Abigail Bennett of Merle Grove, her best so far on her first throw, 12.02 meters. That puts her down in 8th place. She gets that one out and gets the white flag. There's Bennett of Merle Grove. So Lampart leading the event, and
would have thrown over the 13 meters to qualify.
And returns to medal in this event from last year as well. Bethany Thomas now of Woolmers Girls is inside the circle. And she will be using the glide technique and pushes that one out. Not much height on that one, and the red flag goes up. She fouls that attempt. From Excelsior, Katie Gordon is back inside the circle here. 12.57, her best thus far this afternoon. Gordon of Excelsior, left-hander. A bit more trickier for the left-handers, you think?
A little bit
Coach?
more trickier.
Do you think so?
Yes, more unorthodox.
I wondered about it, and I'm not coming from a coach's perspective. I just thought a left-hander, it would be normal. They just turn in the opposite direction.
Yes, it is so much more unorthodox for them in terms of their delivery, but they normally do very well.
12.75 for Gordon there, and she is currently in 3rd place, and I think that could well move her up into 2nd place, you know. So I think Gordon of Excelsior might have moved up into 2nd place with that throw. This now is Sajay Fukjang of Alpha. And powerfully built, and she'll be using the spin technique and just gets that one out high. put a lot behind that one. But the red flag goes up.
Red flag
Is that
goes
outside
up.
that's outside the sector.
Throw 12.75 in the prelims. Expected a little bit more from her. Hoping that she can do better on the next show.
Fukjang expected to be one of the contenders here. And this now is Deonja Shaw. And 12.39 for Shaw. Trying to get into medal contention, Shaw. She is expected to medal in the event. If not, it would be somewhat of an upset. That is Shaw of Edwin Allen.
We're going to have another complication shortly, Jeremy, in that the rain that has stayed away the entire week is arriving as we speak. The rain is starting,
and certainly
right now.
This will present a challenge for the throwers. As we see Jada Francis of Immaculate about to take up her place inside the circle here for the girls shot put, class 1. So the rain threatening, but not letting that damper the performances any at all. Francis 12.44 in her best throw earlier. All right, so as a result of the rain, which is now coming down, our cameras are being covered. So we're getting a shot of the class 1 girls shot put just now, but the camera in that area has